of gift certificate.
Wow, what a lineup of winners. Nasa akin na po, winners. Howard? Sinong pabago? Yung base?
To announce our third placer.
Our third placer garnering a score of 89.71. Reyna Lu Cabarloc.
Reyna Lu Cabarloc is our third placer. Photo ops, yan, picture. Yan.
Pero pwede rin si
Yan.
judge ko na yun. Yung babae.
This time, partner, to announce our second placer, let's give the mic to Sir Melo. Please do the honor to announce our second placer.
Second placer is MJ Gonzalez.
MJ Gonzalez.
Score of 91%.
Congratulations, MJ. Okay. Nako. Eto na. And to announce, of course, our grand champion for Season 2 partner.
Sa palagay nyo, babae o lalaki? Ano? Lala.
Babae!
Lalaki?
Lala.
Babae?
Lalaki.
Oh. Will she be a he or will she be a be? Alright. Season 2 grand winner to be announced by Ma'am Isa is
Garnering.
An average score of
92.8%.
grand champion for season 2 is
Maraming salamat na pala po.
You know.
actually
Ang galing mo, Is.
parang ayon sa ating pag-win.
Okay, and also our OIC natin, BBQ.
Babae!
Yes.
Alright.
Maraming salamat.
Babae!
Okay!
Yan.
Yeah.
Okay!
Oy, sino nininervous dyan?
Meron siyang
Meron siyang ano?
R sa pangalan.
Wow.
Uy.
Uy.
Dami.
May R. Ikaw ba yan doon? Sino gusto yun doon? Sino gusto si...
The grand champion for season 2 of Gold Voice of Ciel Pavilion is Estaremos sa lamig.
Ano to si ano? Ano ba ano? Yung moment ni...
Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey. Sinigurado na.
Okay!
Our grand winner, Ma'am Isa, will be receiving 15,000 worth of free bet coupon plus 2,500 worth of gift certificate.
And si Gabong Palakpak.
At pasibagong... And probably, ang kontra. And a round trip ticket to Jerusalem. Ticket to Jerusalem.
Okay! Talaga. Mr. Ron Correa.
Ron Cohel is our Season 2 grand winner.
Another Cinderella story sa ating Golden Boys of Casino Filipino Pagino.
Congrats to you, Ron. Congratulations.